Hi, my name is Jessie, and I wanted to give you a tutorial on how to use the Canvas platform and how to access all your child's materials and just how to navigate it. So here's the Canvas window. I'm in student view right now. And if you look over here on the side, you have your home page, announcements, modules where most of the materials will be, people, and chat, and if you want, you can link your Google Drive account as well. So this is the speech classroom, and if you go to announcements, you would see any announcements that your speech therapist or your student's teacher might have put here. So as you can see, there's an announcement here. It's new as indicated by this little blue dot. So let's click on this. And here's the announcement from our speech therapist. Welcome to speech. My name is Jessie and I will be your speech therapist this year. Make sure you check out the module section for materials and activities. And she left her email and said if you need anything to email her, or you can use the chat feature. So let's check out the modules and see what's in here. So if you go to modules, you can see that there's a module labeled expressive language. So this is a page within that module, and this is an external link. So if you click on this page, how this is set up, it says, "Hi, nice to meet you. I will be your speech therapist this year. Click the link below to see the virtual classroom." So you can click the link here, and it'll open the virtual classroom. And I'll do another tutorial on how to use the virtual classroom as well. So, okay, we read that page. Let's go back to the modules. Oh, I see a little link here that says click here to read a story. So let's click it. Okay, so it's going to bring us to a YouTube video of a story. Great. So you see it opens in a new tab, and you go back to modules. There might be other modules in your classroom, but that's how you navigate. This gray border back here is the name of the module, and then everything below it are clickable different options and activities and materials that you would want to access. If you go to the chat feature, you can message your child's teacher or a therapist, and you can see how many people are online. So you can say, I need help accessing a specific module. And then when the student's teacher or therapist sees that, they will get back to you as soon as they can. And that's how you navigate Canvas. There's also a calendar and an inbox for you to receive specific messages. And there you go. I hope that was helpful.